Hi everyone, I'm coming to you from a very special location because this is a very special year. This is Kara's 50th year on this planet. She's so special for so many reasons because she takes care of herself, and I want to reward her for that. Life rewards you when you take care of yourself. She is a gleaming example to me and the world of that, and I want to celebrate that this whole year. Starting today, this is her 50th birthday, and I'm going to take her starting here at this wonderful location, this fantasy location that she deserves. And throughout the year, I'm going to take her to other special things. This is a year of celebration of her life, and I want you guys to join me and us on this celebration because we want to inspire you to a healthier life and to show you what is possible, because life does reward you in so many ways. It starts with your body. It starts with how you take care of your vehicle. Your body is your vehicle. That's what you drive around in life with. And if you take care of it, then that's the start of everything. And this means the way you feel about things, your emotions, if your body is falling apart, it's really hard to not have your emotions and everything else in your life falling apart. This is where it all starts. So this is definitely worthy of a celebration, and I want you guys to come join this beautiful soul.
Oh, that is so sweet. I'm the luckiest girl. Well, one of the luckiest girls in the world.
On our celebration of her 50 years. That's half a century. She's half a century old. It's definitely worthy of a celebration. And I want you guys to join us on this journey this year. This particular location is one of the most magical places on Earth. Thank you to Dagny at Prestige Travel for helping set this up. This is a very exclusive place, and it's magical for so many reasons. It's in St. Lucia, and we got some other places coming up. We want you to live the fantasy through us and with us. We share it with you, and you deserve all this.
Thank you.
She worked hard. Don't think she had an easy life. And she spent those 50 years not only taking care of herself, she raised a wonderful son. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
And there were times where she had it hard. She lived out of a car. She had nothing. But she held firm.
Really? What else can you do? You have to forge ahead.
Well, that's just it. Life is always tempting you with the easy things, the instant gratification, the comfort, the sugar, the quick money, the quick fix, and you held out on that, and you said no. Even when you had nothing, you had the strength to say no. And that's what you deserve to be rewarded for.
Thank you.
And that's what this year is about, to show you guys that if you hold out, even in your weakest moments, if you hold up and have strength, that you will be rewarded. So come with us on this year of celebration, and hopefully it will inspire you to celebrate and value your life, give you the strength to hold out for the things that you deserve in life, because everybody deserves a great, healthy, successful, prosperous, joyous life and a relationship with everything and everyone.
I'm honored.
For our wonderful journey together. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
So come along. We're doing epic photo shoots to inspire people to a healthier lifestyle where age doesn't matter, because being ageless means a lifetime of health, beauty, appreciation, love, romance, style, fun, and the ability to enjoy life all the way to the end with no regrets. Let us show you what's out there and what's possible. Come join us on our celebration of life.